In this video, you will see how to change slide color in PowerPoint. As you can see, I have filled different colors to different slides, and it's very easy. To change slide color in PowerPoint, right click and then you will see the option of format background. So this option is used to change the slide background color. After clicking on it, under the fill option, just click on solid fill, and now you will be able to select the color of your choice. For example, we will select here white color, or we can select any other color like blue. And notice that if you want to apply this color to all the slides, you will need to click here on apply to, and this will apply slide background color to all the slides in your presentation. If you want to remove the background color, you can just go to the color option, select white. If you want to change the slide color of an individual slide, you can go to that slide and then just select the color of your choice. So you can make multicolor slides in your PowerPoint. One interesting option is the gradient fill. You can select the gradient fill, select different types of gradient here, and you can also select the color. You can just click on the stop, then select the color, and now you can move the slider and select different colors like this. And you can also change the direction of the color shades like this. In this way, you can add a background to PowerPoint slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft PowerPoint. See you again in the next one.